Tapati Mitra was born in 1961 in Kolkata. She completed her Bachelor of Visual Arts from the Government College of Art and Craft, Kolkata. Speaking of what influences her art, Tapati says, "The essence of my work is deep-rooted in spirituality. I think God looks over us and controls everything we do. My mind hovers around the subjects which have come to pass, that has happened in the past. I am trying to weave something that I assemble through time. My search is to find similarity between past and present scenarios of life which occur during the interaction. Human relations, earthly or unearthly, demands emotional connectivity with other creatures etc. My philosophy, religion and spirituality have left a deep impact on my style of painting." Tapati weaves a narrative of past into the now, exploring the emotions, experience and memories, the matrix of consciousness and cases within. Recalling memories of her visit to the temple town of Rudra, the pilgrims, homeless, wandering sadhus, aghores, the rituals in the cremating ghats, the quotidian life et al. That she came across, and every experience that enriched and enlivened her through colors and emotions etched deeply in her psyche are transformed into works of art that brings back the moment lived and will. The color palette she has chosen to put forth her expressions are as starkly powerful too. The earthy warms, scorching reds and yellows, the cool blues, greys, whites and darks, neutral and muted et many in-betweens convey the artist's intended message to the viewer effectually. The brush strokes, quick and intuitive, merging of colors on the substrate, the translucence and opaqueness of the medium, the random flow, the organic lines explore and create the space, form, depth and movement, and examines the deep impact the spiritual place has on her consciousness. The intensity of the work will invite the viewer to closely introspect the work to understand the mystical nature of life.
Hello, I am Tapati Mitra from Kolkata. I am very happy as a participant of the event, Intriguing Journeys of Abstracts. Thank you, Hinaji, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much, Hina Art Venture and associates with Hina Bhatt Art Venture and all my friends. In 2012, when I went to Varanasi, some incidents completely changed me. I started my new journey of abstraction. A huge subject, huge business, and so many characters, living and non-living objects, boats, kites, birds, repeatedly find their place in my mind and in rushes and waves depicted by my quick brush line that are calligraphic and yet write my mind forms. I believe art is not only comes from emotions. It's a knowledge which we gathered throughout our life. I like to learn various type of books help me to justify myself. The essence of my work is deep-rooted in spirituality. I believe in God, looks over us and controls everything we do. My mind hovers around the subjects come to pass that's happened in the past. I am trying to weave something that I assemble through time. My search is to find similarity between past and present scenarios of life which occurred during the interaction. My philosophy and my religion and spirituality have also left a deep impact on my style of painting.